Look how cool this looks. Hey guys, that Blue Vet here with another little video on car repairs, little kind of thing. So say you take your mom's car out and you curb her rim. So yeah, say you curb her rim and you don't want to get your ass whooped. So you can actually run down to the store and pick this up for $16. Let's see if it fixes it a little bit. Yeah, it's really bad. Like there's like big chunk here. That was not me, all right? The guy who sold it to me did not take care of this car. All right, guys, so I picked this up for 16 bucks, like I said. Oh, wait, I need to wipe it first. You can't just apply it. I have to wipe it. All right, guys. So it says to use alcohol wipes, but I don't have any. I'm just gonna kind of get in there and clean it off as much as I can. It's pretty good. You could use this for small little scratches, for like minor repairs, like say that was a scratch. That's what you use that for, but we do have the paintbrush here. See that? Looks pretty good. So I mean, it looks pretty decent. It's got gloss, so you can't really see how it looks. Say you're at a distance, nobody's gonna really be like, damn, zoom into your freaking rim. I'm gonna let it sit and dry and then apply the clear coat, if it even needs it. All right, so we're gonna touch up these right here. So just do the same, clean it off. A lot of scratch. Like, dude, what was this guy doing? Alright guys, so I'm just adding a second coat. So I applied a second coat, it looks a lot better. Now I am going to put the clear coat, which is this one. From the bottom, working my way up. This is just to like, obviously make it clearer and just to make sure it stays on for a good while. Apply it to this one. So it's gonna seal it in. Alright guys, so for 16 bucks, it did a really good job. Obviously if you get in close, you can notice, but hopefully nobody's that close to your car. Alright guys, so if you liked that video, smash that like button. And also if you're new to the channel, subscribe because I'm almost at 200 subscribers.